Welcome again to my channel travel guide. Today I am at Glowworm Caves, Tamborine Mountain, Gold Coast. Open 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. 7 days. Address is Cedar Creek Estate, Vineyard and Winery, Corner Long and Hartley Road 104 to 144 Hartley Road, North Tamborine, Queensland 4272. Booking online secures you the best rate. Bookings are recommended to attend a glowworm tour. Half-hour tours allow visitors to see glowworms up close during the daytime.
This is Tamborine National Park. There is a viewpoint.
Glowworms require a permanently moist habitat for their survival and are therefore dependent on rainforests and wet caves for their continued survival. However, rainforest habitats in Australia are shrinking due to climate change and human impacts. Things to remember: that photography is not permitted in the cave. Not wheelchair accessible. No light-up shoes in the cave. No loud noises. No matter the weather, because cave is undercover and protected. There is a short rainforest walk to the cave, so rain jackets are recommended. What are glowworms? Glowworms are the larvae, immature stage, of a small fly. The larval stage is the only stage in their life cycle that can glow. The adults are delicate flies that do not have working mouthparts, and as such, only live for a small number of days, females 2 days, males 6 days. As the adults are unable to feed, glowworms must gain enough sustenance during the larval stage to get them through the rest of their life cycle. The larvae are believed to live for approximately 1 year. Although, this is heavily dependent on environmental conditions and availability of food. Glowworms have a very short lifespan, and each adult female lives for only a few weeks until she mates. This is model of actual glowworm cave. This is souvenir shop. Cave was constructed to allow people of all ages the opportunity to get up close and personal with glowworms and to see their glowing lights. All tours are very family friendly and perfect for a special event, like a birthday. Glowworm cave tours educational and enjoyable for the children. Please keep in mind, prams are not permitted or suitable for being inside the cave, so we ask parents to carry any little ones during the 30-minute tour. Prams can be left in the gift shop during the tour. To avoid disturbing glowworms, you cannot make excess noise inside the cave, so if your child may have trouble keeping their voice down, please take this into account and be prepared to leave the tour early if necessary. There are also plenty of things to do at Cedar Creek Estate and is perfect for a Gold Coast. Glowworms are nocturnal and rely on sunlight to set their daily rhythm. Shining torches on the insect signals them to switch off their bioluminescence. To get the most out of a glowworm display, make sure your torch light is directed at the ground. As glowworms prey on small insects, it is best not to wear insect repellent and to refrain from smoking or lighting fires in their environment. As well as residing in caves and under rocky overhangs, glowworms can also be found along creek embankments and beside walking tracks. For this reason, it is important to remain on designated walking tracks to prevent accidentally stepping on them. If you keep to the track, you will also protect the habitat of the insects glowworms prey on. Hollow. Stop by Frog Hollow to visit invertebrates and tree frogs and learn more about the rainforest species that can be found on mountain. This area is a complimentary self-guided exhibit, so feel free to explore the area. Tamborine Mountain is home to giant snails and frogs that can change color. As you walk around the exhibits, you can learn about the unique characteristics of these animals, as well as what frogs you're likely to see if you live in southeast Queensland.
I am going to the glowworm cave. This is the actual cave I am going in.
Unexpected forms of luminous life have been discovered all around the world.
Why do glowworms glow? Glowworms glow to attract small insects that emerge from the leaf litter and water to where the glowworms reside. The glowworms construct snares, like a spider's web, made from silk threads and sticky droplets. These are made to capture and eat the insects attracted to their glow. How do they glow? The light of a glowworm is also known as bioluminescence, or light produced by a living organism. There are many different animals that have bioluminescent properties, including fireflies, glowworms and other insect larvae. Arachnids, spiders, annelids, ringed worms, some deep-sea fish and squid. And certain varieties of bacteria and fungi. In the case of glowworms, the light they emit is produced by a chemical reaction. A pigment called luciferin reacts with the enzyme luciferase and adenosine triphosphate, also called ATP*, and with the oxygen in the air to create the blue-green light that you see the glowworms emitting in the cave. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. There are more informative and beautiful videos going to come soon. So please subscribe so you can get my informative videos easily. Thank you. See you in next video.